We're getting an update on Kerala gold smuggling case. National Investigation Agency team probing the case has found that Faisal Farid, who is one of the mastermind behind the gold smuggling case, in fact had smuggled 230 kilograms of gold from Dubai through the diplomatic route for more than 20 times. 3 rounds of questioning of Faisal is over, and this was done by the Dubai police, and Faisal has revealed more details and involvement in the case. Shocking details emerging that more than 230 kilograms of gold was smuggled using the diplomatic route, and this was done for more than 20 times from UAE to Kerala across at least 2 airports in which diplomatic channel was used. Remember, diplomatic cargo is immune to checking by custom officials, but on a specific tip-off, they in fact invited the officials from the embassy, and in presence of them, one of the cargoes was opened, and that really resulted in the gold smuggling case, in fact, being brought to everyone's notice. The investigation has already been handed over to the NIA, and Faisal Farid is one of the mastermind behind the case, and during his investigation, the 3 rounds of which are already over, it has been revealed that 230 kilograms of gold from Dubai was smuggled in India using diplomatic channels. Let's go across to Vivek, who's joining me on the phone line now for more inputs on the story. Vivek, more and more shocking details really emerging. 230 kilograms of gold is no less amount, and at least 20 times this diplomatic channel was used.
Exactly. It's a huge amount, as you said, that 230 kgs of gold has been smuggled, and that too through the diplomatic route, which makes it even more serious. Now, what we understand is that 3 rounds of questioning is already over by the Dubai police at this point of time, where Faisal Farid has been questioned, because as far as the UAE is concerned, it is a matter of it is indeed a big matter for them, not just because of the content and the quantity of the gold. It's mainly because the seal of the embassy, the seal of the government, has been used by people. Now that has clearly been misused. Now what we understand is that the Faisal Farid has been involved in sending this gold multiple times, not just once. Initially, they also had a dummy run, where they sent just a baggage to Kerala, as an experiment basis, and after that it was 230 kgs of gold, that was sent. It was Sarit and Swapna Suresh who was involved in collecting the gold. I mean, the baggage from Trivandrum in all these times. So the involvement of Faisal Farid was certain.
That's right
from the beginning itself, because of Sarit's, interrogation. He has clearly said that. But
and as these details on the investigation front are coming out, Vivek, there is continuous pressure on the Chief Minister from members of opposition. Thank you very much for your inputs. I want to play out some political reactions.
I feel that there is Chief Minister of Kerala is having moral responsibility in this case. He should be questioned, and his office should be questioned. Then only the real facts will come to the light. This major controversy and the major scam which happened in Kerala is having lot of ramifications, not only in India, in UAE and other parts of the world also.
The right-wing panelist was misusing the photograph to tarnish the political party SDPI. The reason, it is very clear. We are the forefront of anti-right-wing fascist agenda in this country. We take strong exceptions to allow a panelist to raise false allegations to a